Intelligent air pump blood pressure health smartwatch. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special for you, the Intelligent Air Pump Blood Pressure Health Smartwatch. In this review, we'll dive into the features that make this device a game changer for monitoring your cardiovascular health. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the full wrapped airbag pressurization system. This cutting-edge technology, similar to what you find in industry leaders like Omron, ensures accurate readings by recognizing the pressure pulse of your blood vessels. It's like having a reliable health monitoring companion right on your wrist. Precision Micro Air Pump. Powered by a Precision Micro Air Pump, this device offers ultra-quiet yet powerful airbag inflation. The rapid inflation allows for the swift identification of vascular pressure pulses, guaranteeing accurate blood pressure values. It's the technology you can trust for confident cardiovascular health monitoring. Tempered glass display and high-resolution screen. Now, let's talk about the visual experience. The Accurately Smart Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor boasts a 1.3-inch HD color screen with a resolution of 240 x 240. The tempered glass and stainless steel frame not only offer clarity, but also make it friendly to users with poor eyesight. Your health data is easily accessible and crystal clear. Blood pressure test comparison chart. In a rigorous multi-group comparison test, this smartwatch demonstrated over 95% consistency with electronic sphygmomanometers across various blood pressure categories. From normal to severe hypertension, it proves to be a reliable choice for accurate health monitoring. Comprehensive health monitoring. But wait, there's more. The Accurately Smart Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor goes beyond blood pressure monitoring. It offers a suite of features including heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation tracking, and detailed sleep quality analysis. It's your all-in-one health tracking solution. Intelligent monitoring and connectivity. Connectivity is key. This device seamlessly connects to a mobile app via Bluetooth. View detailed health data, including historical blood pressure readings. With multiple sets of measurement data stored, daily and weekly statistics are presented for easy monitoring. Long battery life and intelligent power consumption. Now, let's talk about power. With a large capacity battery and an intelligent power consumption algorithm, the Accurately Smart Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor offers an impressive battery life of up to 15 days under typical usage. Quick 2-hour charging ensures you stay powered up. Remote care and additional features. But that's not all. Enable remote care by adding family or friends to track their health data remotely. Features like alarm reminders, a stopwatch, and a Find Mobile function make it a versatile device for daily use. Two color options and customization. Personalize your health companion. With 7 strap colors and 2 watch frame options, The accurately smart wrist blood pressure monitor allows you to match your style and preferences. It's not just a health device, it's a fashion statement. In conclusion, the accurately smart wrist blood pressure monitor is not just a device, it's your ultimate health companion. With accurate readings, intelligent features, and customizable options, it's a must-have for those seeking a holistic approach to health and wellness. Invest in your well-being with Accurately, where health meets style. Thanks for joining us today. Stay healthy, stay happy. Goodbye.